Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a winter landscape. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today.
Now to start off with my winter landscape scene, let's begin by drawing the horizon line. So I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy line that comes across. Next, we're going to make some mountains. Now I'm going to start here and I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy, kind of pointed, jagged line. And I'm going to make these different sizes, put a few extra points and stuff on them, and then just kind of bring it over to the end. Now I want to add some detail onto these mountains. So I'm going to start here at the point and I'm just going to make some kind of like pointed, jagged lines that come over. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to kind of bring this down. And then I'm going to bring this up to here. I'll do the same thing here. I'll start here, make kind of pointed and bring it up. Then I'll do one more right there. Now, next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw some diagonal lines on here. So I'm just going to make some thin diagonal lines that are close together, like this. And that's just going to add a little bit of kind of like some shading, some textured detail onto my mountains. So I'm just going to kind of add these right on here. And I'm just going to kind of fill up this whole area with these lines, keeping them pretty close together, about the same width in between each line. And I'm just going to kind of fill each one of these in. I'll do the same thing over here on this one. Just going to kind of fill each one of these in all the way across. The tricky part is going to be kind of getting into those little areas, so you're just going to kind of have to jump over some spots. Now, our next step is we're going to kind of make some little extra layers of snow in here. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make a line that's just going to come up and kind of run right into here. Then I'm going to start here and just kind of make another wavy line. And then I'll just make a couple more over here. Now, I want to add a few little pine trees in here, and I'm going to do this just with my Sharpie. So what I'm going to do is I just start by making a nice tall line. So I'm going to make a nice long line right here. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some kind of like lines that go out and then back in, just to kind of make my pine tree here. And I'll do the same thing here, just kind of going out and then back in. And I'm kind of coloring in some areas, but also leaving some areas white in here so that I can color this in with my marker. Now I'm going to continue this. I'm going to add a few more on here, and I'll just kind of do that same thing, just kind of going out and then back in at an angle. You can see they're getting bigger as they get towards the bottom. And I'm just kind of bringing this in. As I move back, I'm going to make these trees get a little bit smaller. So I'm just kind of like filling these areas in right here. And you can see I always start the lines right on one of these little like wavy lines that we drew. So my trees are just going to get a little bit smaller as they come back out here, as they get farther back. And then back here we'll just add couple little small ones, just like this, kind of doing that same technique. Now, one of the final things that I want to do is I want to add some detail onto my mountains. So I'm just going to make some long kind of broken lines. They're just kind of coming down at an angle. So you can see I'm just kind of adding these long broken lines in here. Just like that. And there you go, there is your drawing of a winter landscape. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.